I'm not sure if this has ever been done before, but I am gonna tell you 42 fun facts about Mount Apo in DAVAO while showing you 42 different views of the mountain. I think that would be awesome, right? So let's do it. Number 1. Mount Apo is the highest mountain in the Philippines at 2,954 meters or 9,692 feet above sea level. Number 2. It is located in the southern part of the country on the island of Mindanao. Number 3. Mount Apo is an active stratovolcano. Number 4. The first recorded ascent of Mount Apo was in 1880 by a British officer named Lieutenant Colonel James Babington. Number 5. Mount Apo is the second most prominent peak in the Philippines after Mount Pulag. Number 6. It is also the third highest island peak in the world. Number 7. Mount Apo has 3 major summits. The highest one is called Apo Sandawa with a height of 2,954 meters or 9,692 feet. The second highest summit is Apo Music with a height of 2,850 meters or 9,350 feet. And the third highest summit is Apo South Peak with a height of 2,783 meters or 9,130 feet. Number 8. Mount Apo has 9 minor summits. They are Apo North Peak, Apo Central Peak, Apo Kapatagan, Apo Talikat, Apo Lasong, Apo Das, Apo Lemit, Apo Kodan, and Apo Bidi. Number 9. The name Apo is a local term which means father. It is used as a term of respect for elders. Number 10. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology or PHIVOLS, Mount Apo is classified as a volcano with a high threat. This is because it is an active volcano and it is located near a densely populated area. Number 11. Mount Apo is surrounded by 7 protected areas, including the Apo Mountain Natural Park, the Mount Apo Protected Landscape and Seascape, the Upper and Lower Sulap Watershed Forest Reserves, the Tagbarangay Integrated Forest Management Bureau, the Malagos and Marilog River Forest Reserves, and the Eden Nature Park. Number 12. The slopes of Mount Apo are covered with thick tropical rainforests. These forests are home to a variety of plant and animal species, many of which are endemic to the area. Number 13. There are 4 rivers that originate from Mount Apo. They are the Sibaya River, the Tamiagan River, the Lipata River, and the Biao River. Number 14. The indigenous people who live near Mount Apo have a strong connection to the mountain. They believe that it is sacred and they have many legends and myths about its origins. Number 15. Mount Apo has been declared as a national park. This is to protect the mountain's unique biodiversity and scenic beauty. Number 16. Mount Apo is a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers. Every year, thousands of people from all over the Philippines and around the world come to climb the mountain or just to admire its beauty. Number 17. The best time to climb Mount Apo is during the dry season, which is from November to May. Number 18. The most common route to the summit of Mount Apo is the Kapatagan route. This route is located in the town of Lake Cebu and it takes about 2 days to complete. Number 19. The difficulty level of Mount Apo is considered moderate to hard. Even though it is not technically challenging, the long and steep trails can be very tiring. Number 20. The trails on Mount Apo can be slippery and muddy, especially during the rainy season, so it is important to wear appropriate footwear. Number 21. Mount Apo has an estimated 14 hot springs. These hot springs are said to have healing properties. Number 22. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Reef. This is because it has a large coral reef system surrounding it. Number 23. The coral reefs around Mount Apo are home to a variety of marine life, including colorful corals, fish, turtles, and sharks. Number 24. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple White. This is because of the white clouds that often cover its summit. Number 25. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Flame. This is because of the hot springs and the lava that sometimes flows down its slopes. Number 26. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Lake. This is because it has a crater lake at its summit. Number 27. The crater lake at the summit of Mount Apo is filled with hot water. The lake is also said to have healing properties. Number 28. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Trail. This is because it has a network of hiking trails that cover its slopes. Number 29. The hiking trails on Mount Apo are well maintained, and there are markers along the way to help hikers stay on track. Number 30. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple View. This is because it offers stunning views of the surrounding areas. From its summit, you can see the cities of DAVAO, General Santos, and Coronado, as well as the Sarangani Bay. Number 31. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Park. This is because it is located within the boundaries of the Mount Apo National Park. Number 32. The Mount Apo National Park was established in 1934. It is the second oldest national park in the Philippines. Number 33. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Pine. This is because it has pine trees growing on its slopes. Number 34. The pine trees on Mount Apo are a popular spot for picnics and camping. Number 35. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Wild. This is because it is home to a variety of wild animals, including monkeys, birds, snakes, and lizards. Number 36. There are also some endangered species of animals that live on Mount Apo, such as the Philippine eagle and the Philippine cockatoo. Number 37. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Green. This is because of the lush green forests that cover its slopes. Number 38. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Water. This is because it is a source of water for the people living in the nearby areas. Number 39. The water from Mount Apo is also used for irrigation. Number 40. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Rock. This is because it has rocky terrain. Number 41. Mount Apo is also known as the Apple Cave. This is because it has caves on its slopes. Number 42. The caves on Mount Apo are home to bats and other cave-dwelling animals. And that's it. Those are 42 fun facts about Mount Apo in DAVAO. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!